Welcome to Teki Tool Box. In this video I'm going to cover getting started, so how to use the tools, what they're for and so forth. So when you first log in, you'll arrive at your dashboard and you'll see a number of tools, and let's go to the dashboard, and there'll be a limited number of tools there according to your plan, and the rest you can access via the home button. So you just click on the home and you'll see all of the tools listed there. Now the very first thing that you'll want to do is review a website to see what's needed. So you literally just put in your website either here in the Analyze, or you can use the web reviewer, which you'll find here. So it doesn't matter which way you do it, you just stick it in and click Analyze, and then it will go and start to analyze. To save time, I've done one here, so I'll click here, and we've got a whole report. And what you would do is see in the report what's wrong or where it can be improved, and then you would go to some of the tools and correct them. Of course, not all the tools will correct everything. So for example, if it comes up, such as in this one, mobile view, there isn't a mobile friendly page, you're going to need to create a mobile friendly version of the site, or the site would have to be changed to be responsive so it would fit neatly on a mobile device. This is a really important thing because Google will penalize websites. They notified back in April of last year, 2015, that they were going to start penalizing sites that weren't mobile friendly, because so much traffic now comes through mobile devices. In fact, more traffic goes through mobile devices than desktops or laptops. So not everything can be changed within the tools, and as I say, in that case you'll need a mobile site, but a lot can be done with the tools. For example here, no declaration of language. So once you've got your report, you can then go and work on some of the tools. So let's have a look at the tools, and if you need more content, so for example, if you find that your website is lacking content compared to your competitors, and one useful thing to do would be to find out who your main competitors are, and find out who's ranking top, and then do an analysis for that competitor so that you can see exactly what they've done in terms of their SEO, and then you'll be able to model what they've done and do things like your meta tag generators, get backlinks and so forth. So let's have a look at some of these tools. We've got an article rewriter, we've got a plagiarism checker. This will check whether the content is already existing or has been plagiarized. And the plagiarism checker, you can either just paste in your text, or you can select a file or enter your URL, and it will then check the URL or the file or the content to see if it's existing elsewhere on the internet. Let's have a look at some of the other things we've got. Here we've got a backlink maker. So literally this is very good for new sites, but actually useful for any site, and it's one of the first things you should probably do is click on the backlink maker, put in your domain, whatever website you're working on, and click submit, and it will start to build backlinks to that domain. So let's come backwards. Then we've got robots txt generator. So if your website doesn't have a robots.txt file, you can create one here and then just upload it to your server. Here we've got meta tags analyzer, so it analyzes the meta tags on your domain. Then we've got, let's come back, a keyword position checker. Now this will check a website and keywords against that website to see where the website is ranking in relation to those keywords. So if someone searches using those keywords, let's have a quick look here. So you can put in your domain, and then you can have multiple keywords, just put in the whole list, and then you can get it to check for positions. I would keep it to 50 because frankly, if a website isn't ranking in the first 50, it's probably not going to be found very easily. That's almost like the first 5 pages of searches. I mean, ideally you want your website to appear, of course, on the first page. That's not always possible for highly competitive keywords, but it is possible for long tail keywords. That is, for example, if you wanted to rank for eczema, it might be very difficult because you're competing against many high quality, high PR websites. Whereas if you wanted to rank for eczema natural cream, for example, you have a much easier prospect of getting on the first page, and those are called long tail keywords. So let's come back, have a look at some of the others that you'd be using. All websites should have a sitemap, so if you haven't got a sitemap, you should generate one here and then upload it to your server. Here we've got a backlink checker, so this will check all the backlinks that are currently shown in your website. Now, what this backlink checker does is it's not going to check spam links or links from within the website itself. So it's only looking for valid links. That's links coming from third-party websites. So let's go onwards. We've got an Alexa rank checker. We can check the word counts here. A link analyzer, IP address. Now all of these things are fairly self-explanatory. They're all very, very easy to use. So they're literally a case of just putting in your domain most of the time. We've got a URL rewriting tool. This is where, for example, let's have a look and I'll show you. So if you have a database-driven website that gives links like this, these are not very easily understood by search engines for ranking positions. So what you can do is rewrite them so that they are more search engine friendly. And let's go backwards and come down. So we've got a rewrite checker. This will check whether www dot your domain goes to the same as just http:// your domain. They both should be the same, otherwise you can be penalized for what would appear to be duplicate content. We've got a MozRank checker. You can check the server status of any server through this module here. Grab screenshots here, which are it makes it much easier because it will grab the whole screen rather than trying to take a screenshot of just the visible part. Then we've got a page size checker, a reverse IP domain checker. So we've got basically the tools are in 2 parts. You've either got a checker or a generator. So here, for example, we've got a website screenshot generator. We've got a links count checker. Here's one where you can get the source code of a web page. That's really useful because if you like or a client likes a particular web page, you can see exactly how it was built and replicate it with your own content and images, of course. Then we've got more IP checkers, a Class C IP checker, an online MD5 generator, We'll go into some of these in more details in other videos. We've got a page speed checker, so this will check the speed of your website to see how fast it responds. Speed has been considered to be a relevant factor in SEO. Search engines like your pages to load fast. So take a look here and you can see how fast a web page is loading. Then we've got a code to text ratio checker. You can check whether email is private on a website. Then all of these other things as well. Here's a search engine spider simulator. So this will show you how the search engines are looking at your website and what they're turning up. So again, very useful, and particularly useful when comparing against a competitor's website. So you can put their competitor's website in here. I'll quickly show you, and it will show you exactly how the search engines are viewing their website. Then let's come back again. Here we have a page authority checker, domain authority checker. Here we've got a rewriter, an article rewriter. So you could take one article and it will rewrite it for you. I recommend you using the Article Spinner Pro, simply because you'll be able to get a much better and more intelligent rewritten article with the Article Spinner Pro. Have a look at the video on that. The Article Rewriter Pro works, as does the Spinner, in 7 languages, so you can use it using any one of the 7 languages. Then we've got the website reviewer that we've got here. Then we've got a backlink extractor using the Moz. So it will extract all of the backlinks to a particular website for you. We've got an open graph generator and a checker to make sure that a site does have open graph, which is very important for social media. We've got a text-to-speech converter, so you can convert any text to an MP3 audio file with natural speech. Again, have a look at the other video on that. And then we've got the Article Spinner Pro. We've got a link tracker, so this will track links, backlinks to your site to make sure they're still valid, and it will tell you the status of the links. And here we've got an article scraper. Again, have a look at the other videos for this, but this will allow you to scrape articles from 3 leading article directories, and that makes it very easy for you to create your own content very quickly. So you could, for example, if I click here, you could, for example, just go for articles base or ezine. You can use all of them or just one of them, for example, and you can put in a keyword. So if I put in dog trainers, for example, just do 10 articles. Okay, it's going to pull out the articles, and here you could just select all and copy and then put them through the article spinner to create a completely new, unique article. So you can create content very quickly for any website on any niche. If you wanted to, instead of copy that, you can export it and it will download it to your computer. And so you can see we've got all the articles that are picked up here. Now, that is the basics of the Teki Tool Box. There are more tools coming. It's a whole complete box of professional web tools that any web developer will need, and any business owner. In fact, if you're a business owner, it will save you a fortune in developer fees, and if you're a web developer, it just allows you to do all of these tasks very quickly for multiple websites in one dashboard. And of course, if you are a developer, there is the facility to be able to customize your reports. So for example, I have a report here for the dental studios, and I can download this in a branded form. So all I have to do is click on my account, and look at the PDF settings, and you see I've uploaded a header logo and a footer logo. You can put in your own copyright text and your own introductory message. That this can all be done with HTML coding if you want to, for example, make something bold, which I've done here with simple HTML tags. You can, and then once you've done the introduction message, and you can change the footer PDF code as well if you want to make that more personalized or customized to your business. And here are the shortcodes that will automatically put in the copyright text, logo, and so forth. Once you've done that, whenever you want to download a report for a client or do a report, all you have to do is click the download button and it will download the report to your computer, and then you simply send it to your prospect or client. Here we've done one, and you can see the date it was done. And if I wanted to update it, just click the update button and it will start to update it. And this way you can send updated reports or see how your website or how a client's website is performing over time. Okay, I hope that all makes sense. It's just a very quick run through of the Teki Tool Box. So just to summarize, what you would do is the first thing you're going to do is check a website. Once you've seen the website, let's pull up this one. Once you've checked a website, you would then scroll down and see what's wrong, and then you can use the other tools to correct them. Where there are things that need correcting without the tools, then of course you've got to go direct to the website, or as I mentioned before with the mobile friendly, you would need to create a mobile friendly site. There are special deals on these. Have a look at the AppBox Studio or Snapit Apps. All are available on the website here, where you can build mobile apps and mobile websites for your clients or for your business. Okay, I hope that makes sense and you found this helpful. Watch out for the other videos. Thanks very much for watching.